because Lynetta is little. So once the farmer goes back inside, Lynetta escapes the farm. There's a hill between her and the forest. She starts going over the hill on her way to freedom.
So I wanted to come up with a project that was cross-curricular for my grade 4 class, and I came up with a shadow puppet project that touches on our light unit in science. Brilliant Labs helped me with a grant to get a Cricut for the class, and then we began talking about storyline and using Google Drawings for the students to create their own characters for their puppet shows, and they put a lot of effort into designing their characters on Google Drawings, and then we transformed those into actual pieces of cardstock with help from the Cricut. And then they got together and completed their stories and practiced, and then they got to present their shadow puppets to the class.
And his friend was in the temple. It was so big, it was a trap. He was trapped. The guard came over. The guard said, "What happened?" The guy did not answer. But the guard put him in.
The first few things we did is we did this fish first, and then I just copied it and made these two and just added different details.
Took away some things, added different details.
Yeah, and so for the shrimp, they were so small
That they just kept ripping.
Yeah.
So we had to
really see them.
tape the whole thing together so that they wouldn't fall apart. What we did is, so it wouldn't flop, we reinforced it with sticks. The big things we used big sticks, except the school because it didn't need any, but we used it for the handle so it's not big. And for the seaweed, we put a stick here because it was long, and put a stick for a handle.
There feels a presence behind her. Whack! The farmer catches Lynetta with the lasso. The rat gets scared easily and runs into the forest. While Lynetta is sadly brought back to the farm. The rat runs into the forest,